Today we will talk a bit about links, hyperlinks. Let's start with links from Insert tab. So we are selecting cell. When we want to insert link, then go to Insert tab and we are looking link hyperlink command. It should also work with shortcut Control key or Control Alt H. So let's click it and we can add here link to email, create a new document, place in this workbook and existing URL. So for example, my home page, and here text to display is the text from this cell. If we don't have any text, we can write something new. Okay, but this text is okay, so we are pressing OK button, and now I can go to this page by clicking this link. The same we can do with hyperlink function. So we are writing location, so for example URL, or place in this document, this workbook, or even mail, and we are writing friendly name, the name that will be shown in this cell. We have to remember that mail have to have mail to prefix, and this workbook has hashtag as a prefix. And the last solution will be with drag and drop. So I can select cell and then go on the edge of the cell, right click it and drag it to this place, and then we can create hyperlink here. And now I can right click this cell and I can remove hyperlink from here, or I can edit hyperlink from here. So we see this is a place in this document, this workbook. It's C9 cell in our finish workbook, and we can change, modify this link if we need to.